Hello everyone, I'm Mike Turner with ADJ and I'm very excited to introduce the new Encore LP32IP. Now, as you might assume with the name, this has 32 LEDs. Now we beefed this up. This is 32 20-watt RGB LEDs. So again, that's red, green, blue, and lime. Now, as we've talked about with some of the other fixtures in this series, that lime is just going to give you a really incredible CRI. It's going to give you very saturate colors. It's also going to give you a tunable white channel that will allow you to mix virtually any color temperature of white that you can imagine, all with a very high CRI. Now, the benefit of having this in a panel type configuration, as you can see here, I'm running a pixel effect. You have 8 zones of individual control. So you could do some eye candy effects or any sort of lo-fi video depending on your pixel mapper and what you're trying to do with that. But at the end of the day, this kind of solves a little bit of everything that you would need. And again, with it being IP65 rated, you don't have to worry about extreme weather, whether it be rain, snow, dust, heat, cold, doesn't matter. This thing should survive through your event. So let's talk about some of the features in this. The beam angle on this is a little tighter. It's going to be 12.5 degrees without any lensing. But don't worry, this will come with a magnetic diffusion plate that will spread that out to about 22 degrees to give you a little bit more wider, softer edge on this. In addition to that, you have our Sure-Lock yoke system. And again, just to revisit, that's a locking system that has teeth in between the disc that rotate, that lock this into position. And it actually has notations on it about what degree that you have this rotated to, which makes it very nice when you have a lot of these at an event and you want to make sure that your aim is correct throughout the entire series of fixtures. Now, this is part of the Encore series. So again, this has also got a little bit of a theatrical background. This is going to have very, very nice tunable dim curves. You're going to have LED refresh rates up to 25,000 hertz that you could adjust through the back or through DMX, so that if you're using this for live broadcast, you will never have to worry about any sort of flicker on camera. And again, this is just super bright. And with that diffusion plate, the applications are endless for this unit. Now on the back, you're going to have an IP65 locking power cable in and through. You're going to have a 5-pin DMX in and through, and a LCD display with touchscreen buttons, because again, this is IP rated, so you don't have to worry about anything ever getting underneath that display. We have a very robust yoke here that will use the Omega bracket. So again, for you production guys that might be floor mounting this one day or mounting it on truss the next, no tools necessary to remove the clamp, just a 1/4 turn twist lock, and you're good to go. This thing is a beast. It's a blinder, it's an eye candy effect, it's a general wash. It covers all the bases, and it's new from ADJ. So again, this is the new Encore LP32IP, and I'm Mike Turner with ADJ. Please feel free to visit www.adj.com for more information. We'll see you soon.